No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Clsk. We have something very important to talk about here with regards to Clsk. Okay, so the big thing that's setting up here, assuming nothing happens with the Iran situation, that sends markets tanking wildly, not too crazy, we could see a signal here. It would be the first time we get this signal since way back in September 15, 2025, where the stock ran from the lows of 10 to 23, a 100% plus move. I am a sucker for buying at 20s, but it is what it is. No big deal, not concerned. We know that this thing loves to pump and dump. It's a buy at 10, and it always loves to move back to 20. So not really concerned with the shares that I have at 20. I only have 200 shares at $20, so I'm not concerned here. I'll probably buy some here at 10, bring my average to 15, and I'll be fine. Because I would only have to buy 200 shares to bring my average down to 15, funny enough. What I'm looking for here again is that white line crossing the yellow line, which leads to a massive pump. White line crosses the yellow line, massive pump. And that is what we're looking for. The MACD is very good as a signal when you know how to use it. And a lot of people don't know how to use it. They just use it. They either use it on too small of a time frame, and on too small of a time frame, it's not reliable. It's most reliable on higher time frames. The weekly MACD crossover. This is a weekly time frame, by the way. You can see down here, weekly. So white line is about to cross the yellow line. You can see right here, I'm zooming in all the way, and look at that, it's teasing it. This is why I'm making a video on Clsk. Keep an eye on this whole week. It's a big deal. If it gets that white line crossing the yellow line, it's a signal to buy, because buyers are on your side, and we're going to get some momentum to the upside. When this signal plays out, it not only marks bottom, but it also marks, it's a weekly time frame, right? It marks upside. Again, that doesn't mean it's going to have a huge green day where it just goes straight to 20 or 50 or whatever delusional targets people have. No, it just means, hey buddy, we bottomed out. Now we're going to go up slowly but surely. I'll never understand people who think they're just going to have one big green candle straight to the moon. I don't understand. That's just delusional. You can see very clearly what happens, right? We get that signal, and then it slowly, over the course of 5 weeks, gets that move to $20. Here it took much longer. That took like 12 weeks. So again, does not mean it's going to have one big green day straight to 20, right? All right, so but this is it, guys. You buy low down here under 10, and you sell at 15 to 20 for your 50 to 100% return. Rinse and repeat. That simple, that easy. I'll see you guys in the next one.